Alright, y'all. It's day 2. It's actually Saturday, the 14th. It is now 5:10 p.m. Super late night. Had a lot of fun. A lot of stuff that just, hoo-wee, boy. I had a lot of fun last night. But today, kept it real simple. Made some breakfast, edited some content, and now we're about to try to go get something to eat for the same amount I was spending in El Poblado. So in Laureles, I'm about to go do some traveling. You guys are going to come with me. We're going to see what we're going into. Let's go. What's going on, y'all? We are outside. So I was looking for a restaurant that was similar to Polo Al Carbon that I had when I was in El Poblado. So I found a spot on Google Maps. It's about a 20-minute walk. So we're gonna go on a walk. We're about to go to this restaurant. It is called Lenos and the Calbar of India. Hardin. Hey, like the dispensary at home, Hardin. So that's what we're doing. Taking this walk up there. You guys are coming with. Let's go. So after I was looking through ChatGPT, I started to take a walk, and I found Park de Laureles. And that's a really nice little park area, and right by it I found a Burger King, which I found so cool. So the Burger King that was right there, you take a little bit more of a walk, and it's just really nice in this area. It feels like summer. Street performers going off right in front of the Starbucks, and then I end up at Lenos and Carbon for dinner. From Lenos and Carbon. I had the chicharron dinner. Awesome. Spicy chicharron. Well, very well cooked chicharron. The avocado dip was the spicy part. Perfect. And it came with like 2 little mini pieces of biscuit, muffin, or whatever it was, but tasted fire. So from here, we are on the way back to the Airbnb. I got like a little maybe 20-minute walk ahead of me here, and then we're gonna take a little power nap and get ready for tonight's festivities. So you're having a good time here, man. We got to eat some good food, explore, travel, see the mall, all that good old stuff. Yeah, it's been a pretty productive trip in the couple of days, and I still got a few more to go.